Hi guys, and welcome back to another week of grocery haul. This is for 2 weeks. This is what, $274, and the reason why it's so big this week is because we're out of food. We're out of everything, so this should last us 2 weeks. If not, then yeah, I don't know. I don't even know where to begin. It can't even fit on the table, but let's dive in. So I'm so overwhelmed. Guys, come here. I'm gonna need y'all to just transfer these on the counter space once I'm done. So we got some mixed vegetable. We got green beans. We got some cut green beans. We have some tricolor coleslaw. We have some pepper stir fry. I got 3 bags of those because, yeah, as a vegan, you go through these like there's no tomorrow. So I got 3 bags. And then my husband got some, well, someone said not to say my husband, so Roberto, Marcelo got leaf spinach. So steam in the bag. So Marcelo got that. I will get some lima beans. More steam in bags. Yellow sweet corn. We got some deluxe stir fry. We got some peas and carrots. Mixed vegetable. Wow, honey, you got 2 bags? Wow. You go through a lot of mixed vegetable, don't you? We got some, this is what, chickpeas. Boy, yeah, garbanzo beans, we got that. And then we have some, these are green split peas. This is not lentils. It's not, that's peas. We got some pasta zero. Shirataki spaghetti. We got that. Okay, so we clear off this little area so we have somewhere to work with. We got some organic. Wow, look at you, Janice. Petite carrots for the kids' lunches. And just in general. We got some tomato. No, let's not try to do that. This is just sandwich tomato. We got cock soup. Cock soup. We have some blueberries. More garbanzo beans. We have 2 of these. Yeah, 2 garbanzo beans. Don't touch. I will we got some butter beans. All right, we're making way. Where else? Okay, so we have some hot sauce. We have this is life right now for us. We put this on everything. Yes, we put that on everything. So I'm going to be making energy balls. I saw Kim from the Wads, I think I'm saying it right, and I'm about to go attempt to do that. So yeah, that's why I bought this. So bought that to go in it, and then also some cocoa powder. I got some dates for it as well, and then I think last but not least, we got some natural almonds, and then there's something else, but I will show you guys. Got some vegetable oil, almond milk for the children, coffee creamer for my husband. These are the pasta that my husband is liking this month. So it has veggies in it, so we got 2 of those. And then we got penne. So we just got 2 of those because last week the boys now, the 10-year-olds, the 12-year-old, you guys 11, yeah, they're eating more now, so we have to double up on portions now. So that's one of the reasons why this haul is much bigger, because they can eat. So we got rigatoni. We got maseca, and this is what is this? Corn flour? Yeah, this is corn flour for tortillas. So my husband is Spanish, so he has to have some Spanish in him. We got some Thai Kitchen stir fry noodles because I want to try making my own stir fry. And then this week I'm gonna be trying the kids on this Juicy Juice Splashes. They had it last time. It's pretty good. Got some red tomatoes. It's just a red bag of tomato. We got some spicy sweet chili. That's the only Dorito that's vegan friendly. We have some Ritz crackers. We got some Oreo Thins. These are so good. I don't even know why I bought them. I opened it to give it to Maddie, and then before you know it, it was in the cart. But this is good. I could eat the whole thing in one sitting. So if you've never had Oreo Thins lemon, oh, take that, take it away from me. We have more garbanzo because we use these as protein base. Is it? Yeah, we use these like, we do these like curry chickpeas and put it over rice, and that's really good with cauliflower. We have some peanut butter for the children because when we don't feel like cooking, this is their dinner. We got some Cheerios. This is the only cereal that my husband, well, Marcelo, will let the children eat because it has only 1 gram of sugar. And then we decided to be bad and get them Oreo that. We got some banana, nothing special, just banana, lots of banana. We got some grapes. We got some baby Bella mushroom. This is good for like if you're doing pasta. It gives it a meaty flavor to it. So yeah, got some cilantro. We have some peppers. We have some just chipotle mayo. This is good, but it goes so fast. That's really good. We have some ragu. This is the garden combination. It's really good. Then this one is the mushroom and green pepper. It's really good. We have some angel sweet, and this is the tomato I put in pasta and stuff like that, and it's really good. And I also put these in the children's lunches and stuff like that, so that's a good buy. We have some more grapes here. Have some green onions, scallions, whatever you want to call it. We have some patties. These are good. These are so good. You just cook them up, put them in between 2 breads, and you have yourself a potato sandwich or French fry sandwich or whatever. But they are really good. So we just got some hash browns. We have some a pack of lettuce, iceberg lettuce, cucumber, coconut milk. I use this in bulgur, so I put bulgur, kidney beans. So I got 2 cans. And then I use the kidney beans to make like rice and peas, but it's bulgur. Just got 1 bag of these because I want to kind of like stray away from stuff that are processed like this. I want to be able to, you know, be creative, and but we got this. Got 2 bags. Tortilla or fajita. These are a staple in our house. If we don't feel like cooking, the kids can just throw whatever they want in it, and it's a done deal. This is also for the Larabar I'm getting ready to make. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on that, but yeah, this is really good. Next up is just Greek style pita. These are so good. Like, if you guys have never tried these, you should definitely give it a try. So that's that. We got some spinach, nothing fancy, onion, avocado. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5 avocado. we're getting better with the children's bread, so we went a little fancy this week and we got potato. So we got 2 because they go through bread really fast. We got some tomato for cooking. We have some halos. These are really good. This is like $6.47 at Walmart, but it's totally worth it. We got some brown rice because this is the rice that we're using now. It's much better for us, I believe, I think. Who knows? We got some go-go squeeze. Maddie loves go-go squeeze, and this week I'm trying her on the fruit veggies. So that's just that. So hopefully she likes it. And then I got her regular kind, which is the apple. We got some Laura Bar, my husband's favorite, apple pie. I don't know what happened here, but yeah, these are so good. And Walmart is like the only place that I found them the cheapest, I believe. Unless they're on sale at Harris Teeter. We got some quick oats for making the energy bars. Got some strawberries. I don't know what this is, but my husband said it's semi-vegan. Garden vegetable pad thai. Can you tell that we're like really into noodles this week? We got some unsweetened coconut flakes for the energy bar. My husband loves Fritos. He loves Fritos. We got some pretzels for the children's lunches. Let me go over here. We have some pistachio. We got some pistachio almond milk for Madison. She loves almond milk. Pretzels, soft pretzels. Someone said, I saw a video where they said these are vegan, so I figured we would try it. Vegetables that were on clearance at Walmart, so it's just broccoli and cauliflower medley. We have some apple. We got 2 bags. Because they're the two little tiny mini apples, so I got 2 bags of those. Are these vegan, honey?
Yes.
Got some Pringles. Got a whole bunch of Pringles. And then over on this side, we have, these are Jamaican ackee. So what I do is, instead of doing like, you know, the traditional ackee and saltfish, I do ackee and mixed vegetable or corn, and it tastes so good. You can't even tell that the ackee is not in it. So got 2 cans with whole wheat dumplings. Got black beans. Got 2 cans of black beans. We got 2 cans of vegetarian beans. Oh, we got more than 2 cans of black beans. We got 3 cans. My husband's favorite flour, which is the whole wheat flour. Uncrustables for the children. And last but not least, we have some iceberg lettuce. So thank you guys so much for watching this week's grocery haul, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.